easily the hottest jeans like in the history of denim. These are Willow Boutique's Fiona Flair jeans. They're best-selling jeans for so many reasons. They give that snatched waist look. They make your legs look so long. The pocket placement in the back is everything. The seam moves up in a V. The pockets are higher, so they give you that instant lifted appearance. The denim wash is definitely a darker medium wash. It's got the highlight of the lighter wash within it, plus the stitching is lighter. This is that type of medium wash that's just eye-catching. The contrast, insanely gorgeous. Super soft and stretchy. They fit like an actual glove. Tall and short girl approved. They've got a 34-inch inseam. Shorter girls, just throw on some heels. You could cut them so easy. They fray perfect. It's like your favorite leggings in the form of jeans. Girls, if you've heard about these, trust me, I promise, the hype is so real. I'm gonna link it below.
$139. Ayan. Sige, wait lang. Ato. Okay. Pang size medium. Medium size, madam, medium size. 89. 89, code ako dito 1. Code ng 1, code ng 1, 89 pesos, 89. 1 ang code, size medium. 89 pesos, 89. Ayun, meron pa kanina, yung yellow. Yung yellow hindi pa nag-get. Size small yun. Okay. H&M bukas sa 89 all. Meron pa to yung one-sided. Ayan. One-sided. Anes yung atake pang medium to large carry. Med to large, 89. Code ako dito 2. Code to 89 pesos. Med to large, one-sided me. Ganda niya lakas mo ka-sexy. Ayan. Code to mine 289 pesos. 89. 89, ganyan yung atake. 2 ang code me, 89. 139 lang, 169 lang din sa likod. Okay, wali. Next. Pa-halter me backless. Ayan. Tago yung wet packs. Ganito siya may pag-wenwear na. Tatali mo yan sa likod. Ayan. Itatali mo sa likod na anes. Tapos tago yung wet packs. Pang size to? Small lang. Size is small on tag. 139. 139. Code ako dito ng 26. Code 26. Code 26. 139. 139. 26 ang code webs. 139. Pang size medium, small, sorry. Pang small lang. May hindi patibak, parang yung kanina lang din. 139, 26 ang code, 139, 139. Code 26926, 139. Okay, next. Ayan, size is small. Size is small on tag, size is small. 89. 139. Code ako dito ng 35. Code 35, 139. Small, pang bodysuit mima, 35 ang code, 139. 139, small on tag, Code 35, code 35. Carry ng medium, fitted sa medium, Fitted na to sa medium, Ayan. Fitted sa mid. Carry niya pero fitted siya. Gets ang yan? Okay, next. Another rush guard. Lock nyo to. Mag-lock kasi kayo. Large. Large. XL ulit. Size XL rush guard. XL size. 139. Lock 169. Code ako dito ng 99. 99 ang code. 139. Lock 169. Code ng 99. Ayan rush guard pang XL. Size XL rush guard. Ay, himala, walang nagmamay ng rush guard ngayon, Isang himala. Next. Size, medium. Pa-halter, madam, talilikod, oh. Ganda niyan. Medium hantag me. Pa-halter, detali sa likod, medium size. Pa-short kasama. Size medium size 139. Code ako dito code ng 26. Code 26, 139, 139. 26 ang code, 139. Size medium oh. Medium ang tag pa short. Underwear padded full cup yan 26 ang code, 139. Large. Pang large na large size. Yes, visible ka, madam. Large on tag pa skirt song. Ganda ng top. 139. Code ako dito ng 0. Code 0, 139. Size large. Shape skirt. Nag-gets na yung small nito kanina. Code 0, 139. Yes, may kapag 32 waistline XL talaga yun. Pasok yun sa'yo, ma. 139 lang, 169 sa likod. Okay, next. Next tayo. Meron po yung small. Ayan nasa likod. XL. Size XL me. Ayan, plain color Soft tie top, soft tie yung shanty. Size XL, 139. 139. Code ako dito ng 5. Code ng 5. 139, 139. 5 ang code. 139 pesos says 139. Code 5, code ng 5, 139, 139. Yours, Madam Tyro. $139 lang din, ma, yung rush guard. 139 lang din yung rush guard. Getsungin mo na yon. Hindi ka makakakuha ng rush guard for 139. Malan po ulit nito, Pang medium ulit, ang ganda. Underwear padded full ka. Pa-halter detali sa likod. Ang pretty nito, ma. Pretty little baby. 139. Paano siya? Dolphin short. 139. Code ako dito ng 1. Code 1. Code ng 1. 139. 139. 1 ang code. 1 ang code. 139. Ayan. Size large. Ay, medium pala. Size medium. 1 ang code. 139. 139. Code 1. Code ng 1. 139. 139. 139. 1 ang code. 1 ang code. 139. Okay na.